CEP has recovered some of the losses it printed in this regular session of today, the 5th of May, 2025. At some point, again, the loss was around 33% or thereabout. Um, what do we know? We know very well that market participants have seen what happened with MSTR and they're looking out for the next one. That is why you and I are watching CEP that would eventually become XXI by the 18th of in a couple of days from now. So there are no extrapolations on any of the charts apart from the 30 minutes and shorter. From the 30-minute charts and if like lower. So this is our best extrapolation. This is the best chart we have for extrapolations. So far, it has continued to trade according to the extrapolations. We were watching this a couple of minutes ago. It has continued to recover some strength. But also, if everything remains equal, this is a 30-minute chart. There's a good chance this is maybe more reliable. It's because it's maybe relative to maybe a 4 hour chart or a daily chart. This is very much short term. So the shorter the model is, which is a 30-minute chart, the shorter the projection is, the shorter the projection, the more likely it is to be a lot more reliable, the more stable it is. But over over a long period of time, you can't. A lot of things can change. So far it's been recovering. Just pivoted at 3.5. 3.5 was the sort of level it was trading at all the way back in the towards the 27th. But at the same time, it's also projecting that, or rather extrapolating that you might actually um, break this support at 29.66 and even trade towards 27.91. So all of these are very, very short termish, very short termish, short termish. Um, yeah, there are down projections, as you can see. There are down projections, 25.88. Upper projections there as well. We have there are no upper projections here. Maybe on the maybe 4 hour chart, we might see some, but we have downward projections here. We have upper. Okay, there's an upper projection here at 7.13. But we also know that it has printed the highs of around $50 or thereabout. So in the very short term, up till tomorrow, the 6th of May, weaknesses may still very much is what is in the picture. This is its weakness is still very much what is expected. Let's come all the way down to, let's see, the 4 hour charts. There are no extrapolations here. We're just going to be relying on the projections or Fibonacci projections, and they are in play right now. They're all the projections here that are in play are all upward projections: 44.53, 57.95, 68.82, and 5.53. There's also a downward projection here, not in play at the moment, but you can't ignore it. 11.81. So nobody wants to miss. Nobody wants to miss out. Nobody wants to miss out. And I really can't say, to be honest, what's going to happen. We know very well. The company is raising funds. I mean, CEP is currently raising funds to get things done, and then um, the company ultimately 21st century will is it 21st century, is it XXI will XXI will debut with $3 billion in treasuries, in Bitcoin treasuries. There, yeah, $3 billion worth of Bitcoin treasuries, isn't it? Yes, that's what we have. Yeah. Yeah, it's 21. Yeah, 21 will debut with 3 points. Let's see. Huh? Yeah, the company plans to debut with a treasury of over 42,000 BTC, valued at there at $3.9 billion. Yeah. So yeah, it's a mix of things, but at the same time, shares will increase to 300 something million. Yeah, to around 300 something million. So this is all you have to be very much aware of. This is what you have to be very much aware of. Yeah, so it's a mix of things. We are looking at it as well. We are looking at it as well. The new CEO, you know him very well. He's quite popular. I really don't think there's any lack of confidence as things stand right now. But if you remember what how MSTR has you know played out, the company has played out, or its stock has played out. Then you expect that there will be investors, hedge funds, maybe coming to when by the time they may have done so. They by the time they yeah maybe okay yeah on debut, and we will see the full effect of the convertible notes. And with those convertible notes, we'll see that the stock will spike and also decline. It will be quite volatile. With those convertible notes, they will be issued call options, and they will be selling and they will be shorting. They will be selling and they will be shorting. So this is what you'll be very much aware of. So at this sort of lows, which is what we are looking at right now, maybe we might see they may want to they may be shorting now, or not. They may just not be them. The broader market knows. It's not only the hedge funds. There are other institutions. There are other individuals who know what will be how things will be panning out with the stock. They will be shorting. They may be shorting now, and when it goes up again, there will be an opportunity. So I can't exactly tell you where to go in or when to jump in or anything like that. So what I can say is that in the very short term, up till tomorrow, the sixth weakness is expected. But in terms of its much longer term, on this 4 hour chart, we have projections that go all the way towards some 5.53. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see what we have here on the daily chart. Here on the daily chart, there are no projections. No projections. They're all downward. It's only a downward projection of 1.11. So our best bet is the 4 hour chart. So yeah, we're all hoping and remaining fingers crossed that things will look out good. Things will turn out good. We're just hoping and yeah, we're all watching. Yeah, I really can't tell you where things are going. Even the extrapolation I have on a 30-minute chart is not it's there's no guarantee those will play out. Just be careful out there, and let's see how things pan out. And thank you very much for watching this video.